Hello, welcome back to the channel. Everyone had a good week. I've been super busy as per usual. I don't know if the audio quality is going to be better in this video. I've got some earbuds, so this is my first try doing this. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I should try something else, but hopefully it makes the sound more mono than stereo if you're listening in headphones. I know people said in another video that I switch from side to side, so hopefully that solves that problem. But if it don't, leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll see if I can solve that problem. Right, this week we have an unboxing, which obviously if you've clicked the link, you know what I'm unboxing. So it is the Milwaukee M18 BPDN-402C. I got this from Screwfix for £150, which I didn't open this, someone else did that. I don't know if it's been bought before, you know what Screwfix are like. Just say £149, something like that. I was in the market for another drill for the workshop, because I've got like a couple of sets, but because I'm in between jobs, I like to have a couple floating around job to job if I have to set up and stuff. So it's quite nice to have one just solely for the workshop. I've got my little drill driver just for doing pocket holes, so I wanted something else. I wanted to get a kit with an angle grinder, but there wasn't really one in the sort of price range I wanted to pay with a drill and a grinder and batteries. So I saw this at Screwfix. So with the two batteries, I know I don't think it's brushed, this one. It is brushed, yeah. So this is a brushed motor. I saw this one in Screwfix. Two batteries, 4 amp hour, and a charger for that price. I thought, well, that's good. And I've bought an angle grinder, a Milwaukee angle grinder as well, which hasn't come yet. So there'll be an unboxing of that coming. But when that comes, I'll do that. But yeah, I've got the Milwaukee multi-tool, which I bought because my DeWalt one had packed up. This is still under warranty, but my brother gave me a 2 amp battery and a charger, but only having a 1 battery and charger was a pain, so that's why I wanted to set a couple more batteries. So yeah, let's get to it and unbox this. Yeah, so this needs fixing. It's a good tool. I'd probably do a comparison on these, but there's quite a lot of them out at the moment, so I'll leave it a little while. But that's still under warranty. I just think sent it back. Right. So as you can see, it's been opened already by some Screwfix kiddie card. Plastic box. If anyone wants these boxes, let me know, because I'll get rid of them. I don't really like them. I've got another one for the old thing sitting around. So there we go. Charger. Standard charger. It's not a fast charger, I don't think. Does the M12s and the 18s. I've already got one of these, and I've got an M12 charger around somewhere. UK plug. Got one 4 amp hour battery, RedLithium ion. Oh, look at that. Not even a charge on it. So he's charging. Another battery. Ah, 2 in a row, look. One bit of charge. And then the drill. As with all DeWalt stuff, and Milwaukee stuff, it's heavy. It's good quality. It always has. You know, I've had Milwaukee in the past, and it's always been a top quality brand. It's your gear. You've got free screwdriving, drilling, hammer, 2-speed gearbox. I think it's a clutch, isn't it? Yeah, it's a like your clutch mechanism. Was it your impact? I never know what it's called. I always just have it on full. Never really wind it down. I know if you wind it down, it puts a lot of less tension in it. Keyless chuck. And the thing I like about these Milwaukee is that you can change the chucks over. Don't know if you can see in there, there's a screw. There you go, look. So if your chuck goes, which if I show you, this DeWalt, what's this, DCD796. That chuck is, I just can't, it's gone. It's completely gone. And you can't undo them. I thought there was a screw there because of other drills. But you literally can't get these chucks off. I think it's to take the whole thing apart. But that's the second one of these I've had. Well, I've got another one of these. This is the old one. But even that one's starting to feel a little bit tetchy. Yeah, anyway, back onto this drill. Keyless chuck. 3 functions, 2-speed. It's light around the, it's really balanced actually. Really well balanced. Yeah, take the battery out. Battery's heavy, top's heavier. Not a lot of weight through the centre on the handle. Put them back in, really well balanced. See, a good quality for a cheap drill. You know, it's a brushed motor, I know, but for a cheaper Milwaukee drill, I know there are that you've got the fuel ones. This isn't a fuel, but even compared to the fuel, it's still not. It's good. It's good shape. There you go. Nice. But this is mainly for the, like I say, this is for the workshop really. I'll do a comparison. Have I got any? Bear with me a minute. Let's put that back in the box. Let me see. Oh, a 4-amp battery. There we go. 4-amp out battery. Can never do that. Really work that one out. That is lighter. That is heavier. But like I say, Milwaukee's always known for being heavier. It's a lot shorter. Let's see. It got some Makita as well. Oh no. Oh no, I can't do that. The Makita's in the van, so you have to excuse me on that one. But yeah, I'll try it. A little light on the front. Oh, anyway. Nice. Cool. So if you've been looking on screw fixing, thinking, now, is that worth a buy? Quite cheap. It's got good batteries with it. I'd say at the moment I recommend it. But then a tool's a tool. I did get another little thing just to go with it, just to keep for the workshop, because I take all my bits out on site. It's this little Milwaukee Shockwave Impact kit. I've had a few in the past. I stand by that Milwaukee do the best bits. They take ages to break down. And yeah, they are definitely the best. The other ones I've got are from another firm, but I haven't got the box with me. I'll put a link below for the name of it, but I think they're the same manufacturer. So whoever make these bits, make those bits. I think they're called Impact something, I can't remember. Yeah, there you go. Got that as well. Mainly because I like all these bits. They're good bits to have. Boxes are nice. There you go. That's my little unboxing for this week. I know there's people keep asking about doing the rail. I will do the rail video soon for the drop down rail. It's coming. I'm just waiting on a couple of little bits just to finish it. I just want to make sure I get it bang on before I start sticking the video out there. I don't want to give anyone like show people how to do something that looks rubbish, you know. Other than that, if you like the video, give us a like. If you didn't, don't subscribe or not. I'll see you next week. Ta-da.